If you place pillars on 4 grooved stone bases, a strong wind could make them sway easily. A clever idea is to carve a groove at the top of each pillar, then place a crossbeam inside the groove, so the 2 pillars can be connected together, but the beam can still move back and forth, and shake from side to side. So, you carve another groove across the top of both the pillar and the beam, and fit another beam inside it. This locks them tightly together and keeps the pillars stable. That's how you design a mortise and tenon structure. But you soon notice the beam span is too long. When pressure comes from above, the beam bends easily. So you shorten the beam, and next to each pillar, you add a shorter wooden post, and interlock them with wooden joints. Now the structure becomes more solid. But this kind of frame can only hold a flat roof, which makes drainage difficult. So above the beam, you add shorter beams supported by smaller posts, forming a triangular roof frame. By arranging these wooden frames in sequence, you can build much larger interior spaces. At the top of each pillar you carve a semicircular groove, so the round ridge beam can rest securely inside, connecting every beam and pillar into a unified whole. But the distance between the ridge beams is too wide, which makes it impossible to lay roof tiles directly. You think of adding narrow wooden slats on top, then covering them with planks. But when laying tiles on a sloped roof, they might slide down easily. So you design hooked edges to hold the tiles in place, and insert nails along each row of tiles, to keep them from sliding when the rows get too long. Then you give the roof a crown on top, both decorative and waterproof. Congratulations, you've invented the beam raising architecture style.